What is self-realization? We understand the physical self, the body. Of course, we experience the mind, the mental self. So the body and mind is our peripheral self. There is something more, what we call it as center self. This is our youth people used to call that as a body, mind, and spirit. The spirit is what we are referring to center self. If you examine the body, this body, if you go deep into this body, it's all made out of tissues, cells. If you go deep into the cell, it's made of genetic material, chromosomes, and if you go deep into it, it's all made of molecules. Still deeper, it's the atomic stuff. Inside the atomic stuff, what we call that as center, because today's science clearly, the quantum physics says the ooze of the quantum field is the natural world. That means the whole existence has come out of that quantum essence. That we call it as center self. Physical self, which we enter into this planet because of the parental sperm and ovum, which forms a zygote, and that multiplies after 24 hours into 4. Then like that it goes on multiplying. Today I am 70 kg with 100 trillion cells. So the body self, everybody knows. The second, mind self, when you are born, if you show Rama photo or a Krishna photo or a tiger photo or a rifle photo, the newborn will not have any reaction. It just looks at that. Mind is a memory which is being programmed after birth. If you are born in a Gulf country, you will be programmed in a different way, in a different memories. South India, you will have a different memories. Your mind will differ depending on the locality and the type of programming or the memory which you got. So the mind self, you are aware. The center self, we need to realize it's already real, only we need to realize. How to realize? Through the science and through the experience. We need to understand this center self. When you are born, like I am born in 1964, 25th November, 9 months before, my parents' sperm and ovum has formed a zygote. So it started as a cell, one zygote, and it became 3 kg by the time it is born, and today it is 70 kg. The physical self, you are very clear. The mind, after the birth, I have been programmed in a South India with so many gods. I pray those gods. So the mind, what we experience, whole universe is nothing but memory of what is being programmed after birth, either genetically or after birth. The being, like between when I was just a zygote to 3 kg, I was just a state of silence. What we call it as a being state, or what we call it as center self, or what we call it as present moment. So this continue to be there. Even today, when I go to deep sleep, no, nothing, I don't know anything in a deep sleep, nothing. I am not belong to any religion, I don't have any gods, I don't have any country, I don't have wife, I don't have, nothing. That is the real self, the center self. So basically self-realization, we have a peripheral self with a body and mind, the center self with silence. So when you align all the three, when you understand all the three, we say it is self-realization. That we experience through meditation, through silence, through deep sleep, in a different, so in the spiritual journey. Thank you.